In this video, we listed the 15 best e-mountain bike for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name ENGWE T14 Electric Bicycle. The ENGWE T14 Electric Bicycle is a compact and versatile urban mobility e-bike, designed for both convenience and efficiency. It features a 250W motor and a 48V 10Ah battery, offering a range of up to 80 km on a single charge. The bike is foldable, making it highly portable and ideal for city commuting or storage in tight spaces. Additionally, its waterproof design enhances durability, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions. This e-bike aligns with your interest in practical, high-performance gadgets, particularly those suited for outdoor use and convenience, similar to your preferences for cordless tools, smartwatches, and portable work equipment. The ENGWE T14 is a great choice for urban commuters looking for an efficient, eco-friendly, and compact transportation option. Product 2. Product name Gole Gole 1 Pro Mini PC. The HXQ3 electric bicycle is a versatile e-bike designed to tackle various terrains with ease, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Equipped with a powerful 750W brushless rear hub motor, it achieves speeds up to 25 miles per hour, 35 kilometers per hour, on flat or semi-gravel roads. One of the standout features of the Q3 is its 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, which provide superior stability and natural suspension, allowing riders to confidently navigate challenging landscapes such as hills, sand, and snow. The bike's aluminum alloy frame ensures durability while maintaining a manageable weight of approximately 24 kilograms. The Q3 offers a removable 48V 7.8Ah lithium battery, providing a pure electric range of 30 to 40 kilometers, 18 to 24 miles, and a power-assisted range of 70 to 75 kilometers, 43 to 46 miles. The battery can be conveniently charged on or off the bike and is IPX4 waterproof rated, enhancing its practicality for daily use. Product 3. Product name GDSA7 Electric Bicycle. The GDSA7 electric bicycle is a high-performance electric mountain bike designed for adult riders who need power, speed, and durability. It features a 48V 500W motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 40 km per hour, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. With a large 18Ah battery, the bike offers an extended range on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent recharging. The 27.5-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability, making it ideal for riding on various terrains, including rough trails, gravel roads, and snow. This bike combines elements of a mountain bike and a motorcycle, offering a comfortable and controlled riding experience with enhanced suspension for better shock absorption. Product 4. Product name Folding Electric Bike. A folding electric bike is a compact, portable, an efficient mode of transportation designed for urban commuting, outdoor adventures, and easy storage. The model you're interested in features a 500W motor and a 48V removable battery, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour with a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. Key features. Ebike 500W motor provides powerful acceleration and smooth riding on various terrains. Ebike 48V removable battery offers convenience for charging and extended ride time. Ebike folding design makes it easy to store and transport, ideal for apartments, offices, or RV travel. Ebike up to 50 miles range ensures long-distance travel without frequent recharging. Ebike cruise control maintains a steady speed without continuous throttle control, enhancing comfort. Product 5. Product name EKX X20 Electric Bike Bicycle. The EKX X20 Electric Bike Bicycle is a powerful and versatile 1000W 48V35R e-bike designed for adult riders seeking performance on various terrains, including mountains, roads, and snow. This 20-inch mountain electric bike blends the capabilities of a mountain bike, road bike, and moped, making it an excellent choice for adventure seekers and commuters alike. With its high-capacity 35Ah battery, the EKX X20 offers an extended riding range, ensuring longer trips without frequent recharges. The 1000W motor delivers strong acceleration and climbing power, making it ideal for off-road trails and steep inclines. Additionally, the fat tires provide excellent grip and stability, enhancing the bike's performance in snow, mud, and rough terrain. Product 6. Product name Idotiter Electric Bike. The Idotiter Electric Bike is a high-performance folding mountain e-bike designed for urban commuting and off-road adventures. Featuring a 1000W motor and a 48V20R battery, this e-bike can reach speeds of up to 36 miles per hour, making it a powerful option for riders seeking both speed and efficiency. Its 20-inch fat tires provide excellent stability and traction on various terrains, including city streets, gravel paths, and light trails. The folding design makes it convenient for storage and transport, ideal for commuters and travelers. With EU delivery available, this electric bicycle is a great choice for those looking for a balance between portability, power, and versatility. Product 7. Product name Ridstar Winner Folding Electric Bike. The Ridstar Winner Folding Electric Bike is a powerful and versatile 1000W 48V15R fat tire e-bike designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Featuring 20-inch fat tires, this electric mountain bike offers enhanced stability and traction, making it ideal for various terrains, including sand, snow, and rugged trails. Equipped with a 1000W motor, the Ridstar Winner provides strong acceleration and a high-speed riding experience, making it suitable for riders who need extra power for hills and long-distance travel. The 48V15R battery ensures an extended riding range, allowing for long journeys on a single charge. Its foldable design enhances portability, making it easy to store and transport, perfect for city dwellers or travelers. Additionally, the bike comes with a durable frame, front suspension, and disc brakes, ensuring safety and comfort during rides. Product 8. Product name ZPW Ebike. The ZPW Ebike K100 is a 400W 48V30Ah electric bike designed for urban commuting and city riding. With its fat tires and folding frame, this e-bike offers a balance of power, portability, and stability, making it ideal for both daily commutes and recreational rides. Key features: 400W motor, provides a smooth and efficient ride with enough power for city streets and light off-road trails. 48V30Ah battery, ensures long-lasting performance, allowing for extended travel distances on a single charge. Fat tires, improve traction and stability, making the bike suitable for various terrains, including pavement, gravel, and light trails. Folding design, enhances portability, making it easy to store or transport in a car trunk or small spaces. Urban commuter focus, designed for city riders who need a reliable and comfortable electric bike for daily use. Product 9. Product name EKX X21 Adults Electric Bike. The EKX X21 Adults Electric Bike is a high-performance off-road electric mountain bike designed for adventure enthusiasts. It features a 2000W motor powered by a 48V35 or Samsung battery, delivering impressive speed capabilities of up to 55 km per hour. This e-bike is built for rugged terrains, equipped with 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, making it suitable for snow, sand, and mountain trails. With its long battery life, the EKX X21 ensures extended riding sessions, making it ideal for both commuting and outdoor exploration. The robust frame and shock-absorbing suspension provide a smooth and comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces. Given the user's interest in outdoor gear, gaming laptops, and high-performance tools, this electric bike could be a great addition to their collection, perfect for off-road adventures, winter riding, or simply an eco-friendly travel option. Product 10. Product name D-Power 2000W Adults Electric Bike. The D-Power 2000W Adults Electric Bike is a high-performance folding e-bike designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Featuring a powerful 2000W motor and a 48V25R battery, this e-bike offers impressive speed and long-range capabilities. Its 20-inch fat tires provide excellent stability and traction, making it suitable for diverse terrains, including mountain trails, sand, and snow. The oil brake system ensures reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during high-speed rides. The bike's folding design makes it convenient for storage and transportation, ideal for riders with limited space. With its robust frame and advanced features, the D-Power 2000W electric bike is a great choice for adventure seekers and daily commuters alike, aligning with the user's interest in high-performance and portable electric-powered tools and devices. Product 11. Product name Autodor 1000W Adults Electric Bicycle. The Autodor 1000W Adults Electric Bicycle is a powerful and versatile e-bike designed for both men and women, making it an excellent choice for off-road adventures and daily commutes. Equipped with a 48V20Ah battery, this electric mountain bike offers long-lasting performance, allowing users to travel longer distances on a single charge. The bike features 26-inch wide tires, providing stability and traction on a variety of terrains, from rugged mountain trails to smoother urban roads. With a 1000W motor, the Autodor e-bike delivers robust power, ensuring smooth and efficient rides even on hilly or challenging surfaces. This makes it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy off-road biking but still want the convenience of electric assistance. The bike is available in abundant colors, catering to different preferences and styles, adding a touch of personalization to the riding experience. For those who are looking for an eco-friendly, reliable, and efficient mode of transportation, the Autodor 1000W Adults Electric Bicycle stands out as a solid choice. Its design caters to both comfort and performance, making it a great option for leisure rides, daily commutes, or adventurous off-road cycling. Product 12. Product name Electric Bike for Adults. An electric bike for adults with a 600W peak motor is designed to offer a smooth and efficient riding experience for adult riders, blending the benefits of traditional cycling with modern electric support. This particular model features a 20 mph maximum speed, providing a satisfying pace for commuting, leisure, or light exercise. One of its standout features is its foldable design, which makes it easy to store and transport, especially for those with limited space or who need to carry the bike on public transport. The 14-inch frame is compact, making it ideal for city commuting or for those looking for a smaller, more portable electric bike. The bike also includes 3 levels of pedal assist, allowing users to adjust the level of electrical support to match their riding style or terrain. Whether you're tackling flat roads or hilly areas, the bike adapts to provide the right balance between manual pedaling and electric assistance. Product 13. Product name Twitter 2025 New EM8 Electric Bike. The Twitter 2025 New EM8 Electric Bike is an advanced electric-assisted mountain bike designed for both performance and convenience. This model is equipped with the M60-100-12S octagonal motor, which provides efficient power for tackling various terrains, ensuring smooth and powerful rides on both rugged trails and city roads. The bike's M510 motor system supports enhanced torque for better acceleration, particularly useful for steep inclines or tough trails. With a 36V16A battery, this e-bike promises impressive battery life for extended riding sessions, making it a reliable option for long-distance riders. The hydraulic disc brakes offer powerful and responsive stopping power, which is essential for safe mountain biking, especially when navigating challenging environments. The handlebar with a size of 31.8 by 720 mm ensures comfort and control, providing an ergonomic riding position. Product 14. Product name G20 Electric Bike. The G20 1000W powerful motor electric bike is a high-performance e-bike designed for adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a robust 1000W motor and a 48V15Ah battery, it delivers impressive power and range, making it ideal for both off-road exploration and beach riding. With 20*4.0-inch tires, this e-bike provides superior traction and stability on various terrains, including gravel, sand, and uneven trails. The foldable design adds a layer of convenience, making it easy to store and transport when not in use. Whether for commuting, off-roading, or leisurely rides, the G20 e-bike ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for adult riders. This bike combines strength, comfort, and versatility, making it a top choice. Product 15. Product name D-Power H26 Pro Adults Electric Bike. The D-Power H26 Pro 2000W Adults Electric Bike is a powerful and versatile electric mountain bike designed for adults who enjoy outdoor adventures and cycling in various terrains. Equipped with a 2000W motor and a 48V25Ah battery, this e-bike provides ample power and a long-lasting range, making it ideal for both city commuting and off-road excursions. The 26-inch fat tires ensure excellent stability and traction on rugged surfaces like dirt, sand, or snow, allowing riders to explore with ease. This electric bike features a foldable design, making it easy to store and transport when needed. The oil brake system enhances safety, providing reliable stopping power even in challenging conditions. The D-Power H26 Pro is perfect for individuals who want a high-performance e-bike for daily use or recreational purposes.